Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. Today we're going to make what I'm going to call deconstructed cabbage rolls. Some people might call them unstuffed cabbage rolls or cabbage roll soup, but I think deconstructed cabbage rolls has a better sound to it. So let's get started. I've got a pound of ground beef already frying up in here in the pan. And I'm going to use a pretty big pan because it's going to get pretty full by the time you add the cabbage. So I've got a half of an onion chopped. I've got three cloves of garlic, minced. So we're going to fry that up till the hamburger meat is browned and the onion is cooked. This will take about maybe 4 or 5 minutes. So I've got my ground beef and onions and garlic cooked and drained, and I like to pat it dry with the paper towel just to make sure we got all as much grease off as we can. So I've got a teaspoon and a half of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, tablespoon of brown sugar, teaspoon of black pepper. I've got a half a cup of beef broth. One can of chopped diced tomatoes. One can of tomato sauce. And here's my, about a half a head. We had a pretty large head of cabbage, so it's about a half of a large head chopped. So this is basically it. I'm going to stir this up. I'm going to cover it, let it simmer until the cabbage is done. I think we're going to do it for maybe, we'll do 15 minutes, take a look at it. So we'll cover, turn that down. Let it simmer, we'll come back and check in 15 minutes. So this has been cooking. What I actually did was I checked on it in 15 minutes and then I took the lid off and cooked it for another 15 minutes just to get some of the liquid boiled away. And here's our final product. It looks good, it smells good. Put it in a serving bowl. What I'm going to do here is I'm using a slotted spoon so we get the real cabbage rolls. You could put more liquid in there and you could call it, cabbage roll soup. So I'm going to give it a little taste if it's not too hot. Cabbage is well cooked. all the time it takes to make a cabbage roll and the effort and the rolling and the boiling of the cabbage and everything. Here you can do it real quick. I'm sure if you have Hungarian heritage and your mother or your grandmother's looking at this, they're going to say you're crazy, but if you don't have the time, this is an excellent way to do it. It tastes just as good in my opinion.
I'm hungry.
So we're about to eat. If you like this video, check out Ed Foodie, Fun with Food on YouTube. Like my video and please subscribe. Thank you.
This is very good.
What do you think, Mickey? Okay.